breaking?
I don't think I did.
Every change has a reason. Baby, let it come to you. Every soul, every season lives outside of status quo. If we stop believing we're meant to be, expanding our abilities. If the passion's gone, we are doing it wrong. Baby, you and I should start living now. With the whole world at our feet, we could stay or we could leave. There is nothing in between. So baby, we should start living now. 'Cause we only have this life. Wanna laugh and wanna cry. I don't wanna waste my time. So baby, we should start living now. Baby, we should start living now. We are close, can you feel it? Something is behind the clouds. We just have to believe it, that we can make the sun come out.
We're just cooking up everything that's left in the fridge, basically. That'll go bad in the next 3 to 4 weeks. So we onions, peppers, zucchini, garlic, salt, pepper. And then we'll cook a few eggs, throw it on top. Let the yolk seep in.
Little bit of chaos in the bus with packing, but we're getting it figured out. All right, we're getting close to being packed up. We have an AC just in case. Apparently it's gonna be really hot in Florida, and it actually helps with, especially with nap times and falling asleep. We won't have to run it all night, but even in a tent, an AC helps. We got a big stack of blankets. We got all our lawn chairs. We have a ukulele, so you can't go without an instrument. We have one small folding table, all our sweaters, our camp stove. This is our clothing. This is a really expensive air mattress that I will explain when we are setting up. Our tent is under here, and this is our dining canopy tent. So that's what we have for now. Oh, and our water jug. We're about to throw pillows in here and get the food loaded up, and then we'll be just about ready to go.
Anybody need a pearl?
This is all our vitamins and essential oils and nail clippers, scissors, chapstick, stuff like that. So it's in there, so it's safe.
The essentials.
The essentials. Can't forget diapers. I will not be cloth diapering while camping because that's insanity.
Is there a reason that you're cleaning right before we're leaving?
Cleaning this lid to put it on the bin. Should have got it out earlier. It's filthy. It's underneath the bus.
4 riders missing.
Hi.
Riders. Missing.
Just about to leave. We're getting the last couple things packed up. They're just shoving everything they can shove into the back of the van. And then Dad's going to drive the bus and drop it off at the mechanic. And then after that, I think we're hitting the road.
Okay, all right, bye.
Bye.
So we're just here waiting at the mechanic yard. Michael went in to talk to the mechanic. Toby is just climbing in because he drove over with Michael in the bus. As soon as he talks to the mechanic and gets the bus parked, we'll be on our way.
Alright, they're gonna take care of our baby. They're gonna do oil change, find out what the smoke issue is, and it's gonna basically do an overall safety inspection and find out all the deficiencies and make us a list of must, can wait, can really wait list. So they seem really nice. They said it's no problem, we can leave it here for a month. Well, that gives them time to order parts and get everything done. So.
Perfect. We are stopping at a grocery store that Michael and the kids had seen when they came to the skate park in Tyler that I didn't get to go to. So it's a crunchy looking grocery store I've never heard of before. And it actually has, let me see if I can show you, a playground in the parking lot.
Yeah.
Which the kids are super excited about. They spent all morning kind of getting pushed aside while we tried to pack up. So this will be a great opportunity for them to go play while Michael and I run in and grab a few things. Not too much because the cooler's already full, but we need a few things just to make a meal for lunch and maybe supper tonight. And the kids apparently we're starving tonight. And then the kids can play.
Okay, we're heading in now.
Oh no, those are kumquats. Those aren't the golden berries. I thought these were the ones we get at Costco.
Those are really popular too.
These are, yeah.
What are we doing?
Oh, these are the golden berries.
Oh,
They got little on them.
She found the golden berries.
What's that?
The cherries, the like little orange cherry things. See?
I don't know what that is.
You didn't
Get them
have
at
them?
Costco, but they don't usually come in the wrapper.
They look and like the textures of cherry tomato, but then you eat it and it's like
Sour sweet.
yeah.
Everybody loves sprouts. Except Toby.
They're so good. They are yummy.
It's an assembly line.
We got yogurt and berries.
Oh, yummy.
Maybe Bell cheese. Your favorite cheese.
What are you doing up there, Jessie?
Yeah, I think you know.
Yeah.
Garbage can. Oh, don't have one.
Is that happens when you drink decaf?
Yeah.
Toby, Alex, I'm all the way in the seat. I can't.
Money on my name. Awkward.
Okay, Father went back to that trendy coffee shop that we went to when we went
In
to
this video, past your face, right there. don't yeah, that link right there.
when we went to the skate park, which was at the time it was decent, but I don't remember it being this good. It was today. It's really, really good today.
I got the decaf, she got the calf.
He's obsessing over the decaf. I got a caramel vanilla latte.
How'd you know?
I think that's what Dad told me.
They didn't tell me what I got. I just got the decaf with oil all over it.
Anyway, they taste really, really good.
Cheers.
Cheers. Now we're just waiting for them to grab some more groceries from the Sprouts. We haven't had all our lunch yet. Mostly it's gonna be fruit and I think yogurt. No golden
We haven't had
berries.
yogurt in a very long time. So.
You get it.
We're gonna get back on the road and drive for another hour or so and get to our destination for the night.
We're at the hotel.
Are you looking at you or me?
You.
Okay. Ow, this hurts my shoulder.
What? There's a door into the other room through the bathroom?
Yeah.
That's different. This is... Wow, that's an old TV. Oh my gosh.
We're gonna have.
One thing you do in a hotel, the first thing you do in a hotel, check the drawers for cash.
Dang it.
Bethany's now inspecting all the drawers.
It was a joke the other day.
Toby did that one time. Did you know Toby did that? And he split his no, it was his lip. He split his lip open. We are all moved into our hotel room and set up. We didn't bring everything in because obviously a lot of our stuff is camping stuff, but what we did need for the next 3 days, we brought it in. Michael would prefer to just bring things in as we need it, but that drives me crazy because I just feel like we're going back and forth and I don't have everything we need. We just unpacked everything that we needed, brought it in. So I'm gonna give you a little tour of how we hotel with 8 kids. So we got this awesome room, 2 rooms, I don't know what you wanna call this. This is a Super 8. Not all Super 8s have this. You have to really search for rooms that accommodate so many people, but we have a queen size bed here and the pull-out couch. And then through this little archway here, which is super cute, there's 2 more queen beds and another TV. And they have an adjoining bathroom over there. We brought in all of our clothes, which like I said, we kept minimal. It's 1 bin, a basket, and a suitcase. Those are all in here. We brought in everybody's water bottles and all of our electronics. We also brought in the cooler and unloaded most of it into the mini fridge, what we could get to fit. The kids have their own space over here, which is awesome with their TVs, so they can have some time. We don't do a lot of screens in hotels because we're usually on the run, but for some downtime, it's great. So there's a random water shoe. Water bottles are there. And the kids each brought 1 little backpack with coloring and toys so that when we do have downtime, they can stay occupied, especially since we're camping. We won't have any screens going for them really, so just enough to keep them busy. Back over here to the bathroom, we have 2 baskets that have all our toiletries in them. So toothbrushes in a cup, my sunscreen's in there, homemade deodorant, toothpaste, another deodorant, our soap, because we use our Castile soap, and then this is all of our hair stuff and feminine products. I also got to use our Berkey, our new travel Berkey for the first time today, which is awesome. The spigot has to be taken off for when we travel, so I got that on, put the filters in it, and filled it up with Michael's water bottle. All the kids' swimming suits and some hats for some of the younger ones for when we're at the beach. So that's all we need for hotel staying, which in Michael's opinion is already too much, but for 8 kids, I think it's a fair amount. Thankfully, we got a ground floor hotel room, which means that we don't have to stress about the kids running around. A lot of times in hotels, just their feet running back and forth because they just get excited and they're little kids. And it takes a lot of stress off of staying in a hotel. We're gonna take it easy. We had to make quite a few stops today on our way here. Just between stops and running in and out of stores and kids having to sit in the van for longer than we wanted to, everybody is really exhausted. So I think we're going to probably order in. We just ate food that we bought at the grocery store for lunch, so we did pretty well for lunch. So we're gonna find some supper to order in and relax for the evening. Oh, Levi's changing the channel on them.
You guys don't want to watch this? It's football. Don't let Levi take the remote this time.
Good idea.